Hello everyone, a very good morning, good afternoon or good evening when you are watching our video. I am Arjun Charan Mahanta, group leader of System Changer of ODISHA ADARSHA VIDYALAYA KHENDRA JHUMPURA, class 12. We are working this presentation under biology teacher of our school, Miss Nivedita Raut. The name of the students in our group are Rakesh Roshan Behara, Ashutosh MUKHI, Priyanshu Shekhar Nayak, SRITAM PALEI and BHUSAN MAJHI. Our main motive to prepare this presentation is to create an awareness against this air pollution, which is one of the most important problem in the whole world. So the topic of our presentation is air pollution. Now I am going to discuss some important points about this air pollution. So first of all, what is air pollution? Here you can see the definition that air pollution occurs when the air contains gases, dust, fumes or odor in harmful amount. It is when concentrated gas exceed safe limit. Then I am going to tell you some types of air pollution. Generally there are two types, that are outdoor air pollution and indoor air pollution. Under outdoor air pollution, its examples are smog, particulates, acid rain, greenhouse gases, etc. Then some important causes of this air pollution are from natural sources and human sources. Examples of natural sources are smoke that comes from wildfires, volcanoes, methane, dust, etc. And example of human sources are power plants and automobiles, fumes, burning wood, stoves, fireplaces and furnaces, etc. Then some important pollutants which cause this air pollution are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Then some important mechanism. I am going to tell you two types of mechanism, that are primary and second one is secondary. Under primary mechanism, I would like to tell you the formation of VOC, biological generation of VOC, formation of liquid aerosol droplets, aerothromical generation of particulates and aerosol, biological formation of particulates, aerosols and particulate aerosol formation. These are the important points under primary mechanism. And under secondary mechanism, there are 3 points, that are condensation, adsorption and nucleation. Then effects of this air pollution, how this air pollution affects us and our environment. Generally there are 2 effects, that are human effects and environmental effects. Example of human effects are diseases, and example of environmental effects are acid rain, eutrophication, wildlife, ozone depletion, crop and forest damage and global climate change, etc. It also affect on climate system, health, economy of the country, environment, ecosystem, forestry and also in agriculture. Then how to resolve this air pollution? I am going to tell you some important points that we must have to follow to reduce this air pollution. First one is lower emission, then sustainable development, and we must have to follow international conventions and treaties which our government made for our country's development, then national and international funds which we must have to support, and eco conversion. Then we should follow new technologies. We should use new developed technologies and maximize recycling. Then we must have to do lower combustion, lower transboundary emission, etc. Then in the end, I would like to conclude my presentation by telling some important lines, that air pollution has long been a serious problem in the whole world. Without air, earth would be unable to sustain life. So we must have to aware about this air pollution. We everybody knew about this air pollution. We everybody knew its cause, effect and consequence, but we are behaving that we didn't knew even a single word about this air pollution. So from now I would like to tell you that we must have to promise to resolve this air pollution problem, and we must try to make our earth more greenery. Okay, in the end I would like to give my thankfulness to my group members